Ripe plantains, often overlooked in culinary traditions, have a hidden potential that many fail to recognize. This recipe for ripe plantain arepas is a perfect example of how these ordinary fruits can be transformed into an extraordinary dish, merging simplicity with a rich tapestry of flavors. Select 3 ripe plantains to start. Although they might not look very appealing on the outside, their maturity is crucial for this dish. Peel and slice them, which not only makes cooking easier but also helps release their natural sugars, enhancing their flavor. Place the plantains in a pot on the stove, cover them with water, and add a pinch of salt. The salt is not just a seasoning but a flavor enhancer, balancing the natural sweetness of the plantains. Cooking is a critical step and should be done with care. Aim for about 10 minutes, enough to cook the plantains through while keeping them firm to avoid a mushy texture. After cooking, move the plantains to a mixing bowl. A fork can be used for mashing, but a potato masher achieves a smoother consistency, essential for the final texture of the arepas. It's important to work with the plantains while they're still warm. Add half a tablespoon of butter to the mashed plantains. The butter not only brings richness, but also helps bind the dough. Mix thoroughly until the butter completely melts into the warm plantains. Elevate the mixture by stirring in 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese and 3 to 5 tablespoons of corn flour. Knead the mixture by hand to ensure even distribution of the ingredients. If the dough becomes sticky, a light coating of oil on your hands can help. Form the dough into balls and place each on a piece of lightly oiled cling film. Use a flat plate to press each ball into a circular, even arepa. For a more precise shape, use a round mold to refine the edges and remove any excess dough. In a skillet, heat a small amount of oil over medium heat and cook the arepas until they are golden brown on both sides. This method ensures they are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Meanwhile, prepare the fillings. Grate some ham and Danish cheese or choose any other cheese that melts well, allowing for customization based on your taste preferences. Once the arepas are golden, open them carefully and stuff with the grated ham and cheese. The combination of sweet plantain, savory ham, and melting cheese offers a delightful contrast in flavors. Return the stuffed arepas to the skillet, cover them, and cook on low heat to melt the cheese, integrating all the flavors. After about 5 minutes, the arepas should be ready. The cheese will be melted and oozing, surrounded by the sweet warmth of the
Esta receta de arepas de plátano maduro es más que un plato delicioso.
It's a culinary experience that elevates the humble plantain to a gourmet level. In conclusion, this ripe plantain arepa recipe celebrates the versatility and potential of ripe plantains, showing how they can be the main attraction in a delicious dish.